Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samarth Ramdas Swami has said in his 126th shloka. Jana karane dev leelavatari bahuta pari adare veshadhari तया नेणति ते जन पापरूपी दुरात्मे महानष्ट चांडाळ पापी. For the sake of the people, God playfully incarnates on this earth. For the mass majority, He takes numerous forms. Those who do not understand Him are sinners. Some of them are wicked, evil, and destructive. In the last 10 shlokas, Samartha Ramdas Swami focused on giving examples to prove that God is proud of his devotees and never neglects them. Now, in this shloka, he is talking about the entire population, which includes his devotees as well as others. God incarnates on earth in various forms depending upon the situations and the times. Those forms include human and non humans. For the good of everyone, he is not afraid to take lowly forms too. He does all that playfully, and everyone is in awe of him. His incarnations are visible to everyone, to those who believe in him and to those who don't believe in him, to those who are his devotees and to those who are not. The difference is that his devotees will be able to recognize him and others will not be able to do that. Just see the examples of Lord Sri Krishna and Sri Rama, the two avatars of Lord Vishnu. Krishna's maternal uncle, Kamsa, tried to kill him as soon as he was born. Kauravas were in the opposite side of where Krishna was in the war during Mahabharata. Rama's stepmother, Kaikeyi, hated him and made him go to the forest for 14 years. Ravana became the greatest enemy of him. All these people, Kans, Kauravas, Kaikeyi, Ravana, could not recognize that it was God in the avatar of Krishna and Rama. Hence, they ended up doing bad karma and earning bad credits for themselves and became sinners. Same is the case with Hiranyakashipu and many others who did not believe God in other avatars of Lord Vishnu. These are the examples of the avatars. At the same time, we believe that God is in everyone and is everywhere. But are we able to recognize Him when we meet Him? Many times we realize after specific incidents and the coincidences which helped us in many ways that probably it was God in the form of a human being who was there or guided us. Sometimes He even made us do good to others as they needed Him the most at that moment. One such incident was narrated recently. A grandma was living with her grandson and his wife. She was devotee of God. One weekend, she told her grandson that she wants to visit a famous temple which was at 4 or 5 hours of drive away. The grandson did not believe in God and asked her, "Have you ever seen God in your life?" She smiled. Grandson took his car and they started driving towards the temple to honor grandma's wish. More than halfway into the journey, one person who was in the middle of the road near a village stopped the car. He mentioned, I am trying to go to the temple and waiting for long, but could not find a ride. Now it is too late for me as I need to go back to my home. Will you help me with one request? The grandson agreed and asked what exactly he should do. The stranger said, I want to offer this bag of rice and another bag containing some vegetables to the temple management. Will you carry this and give it to the store in the temple? Grandson put those in his trunk and after closing the trunk looked around, but the stranger was nowhere to be seen. They drove to the temple. He went to the temple store management and gave the rice and vegetables to them. He could see a shock on the manager's face and inquired, why are you so surprised? The store manager then told him that they regularly provide food to the temple visitors, but today they had ran out of the rice and vegetables and were wondering how will they serve the devotees today. So when they saw the rice and vegetables brought by the grandson, they told him that must have been sent by God Himself to fulfill the wishes of His devotees. The grandson was in awe and realized what he just experienced. He turned towards the grandma and said, now I realize why you smiled when I asked you about whether you have seen God. I have seen Him today. God is everywhere and He can present Himself to us in any form, any time. We just need to be ready to receive the blessings. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ